So a few weeks back, I travelled to Kanchanaburi in Thailand for the UCI qualifying race Dustman. But because it was raining so much, it should probably be called Mudman. There were actually more than 10 river crossings and a lot of mud, and I mean a lot. I would actually say this was the hardest gravel race I actually participated in, but also a very fun trip. On a side note, shout out to MusicBait for coming on to support this channel. If you're interested in trying out MusicBait for yourself, you can use the links down below. And other than that, it's time for Mudman. Now 6:30. Here's the situation on my lungs. Dude, from all the traveling so far, I have only one advice for you, and the advice is to get the best travel insurance. This trip that I went for Gravelton and I came back, I was so sick. I saw the doctor like 3 times. Total cost was like 200 plus bucks and everything was covered. She's sick. I think this is my car. Damn, I'm actually here so early. Actually, I forgot you are Inspire Silver. How do you even bring two boxes? That one is hers. She's a world tour rider with 2 bikes. We are missing Terence. Like 30 minutes late. It's time for the flight! Well, just another bus ride to take.
All the food is upstairs. But they leave cannot go out.
This is way faster than the lift. Do your own mukbang. Dude, the color of the chili is
Chicken rice chili,
just sweet chili. The green curry is not bad, no? Looks quite spicy. Pumpkin. I only never see you for like 2-3 weeks. Oh, bus stop! This is the bus. It comes with lights. What do you think about the bus?
Party, party, party.
Party, 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 party.
Now where's the disco?
Oh.
Dream of sunny days when worries vanishing haze. I remember the roses. I hear those morning bells. It's time to.
It's actually quite cool.
Very
nice. So at the corner. It's the room tour. You enter the door. You are greeted by the walkway with a cupboard and a pantry. This is what the pantry has. It has coffee, tea, but this is my water. The toilet is pretty simple. You have a shower area that has blinds so you can technically be seen from the outside. This way they can peep at you, not you peeping at them. The main area, we have 2 beds. Oh, it's pretty soft. He says there's a special chair down here. I don't know what VJ wants to do on this chair, but maybe he wants to tell some stories. I don't know. It's a pretty big balcony. You can take 5 steps. We're lucky to have our neighbors, who are really nice neighbors, right above us. Neighbors! Time to unpack bike. Are you chef? Okay.
The chef says.
The chef says, okay.
We're going up there.
Yeah. Wow, you can like. Oh. Cheers! Oh, it's so strong. This is like watermelon with ikan bilis. Oh, pretty dope. Dinner was meat.
No way.
The night market. And then we're gonna get this corn. Sleeping here is like sleeping in a tent. You can hear like everything. Apparently it's raining. Or it was raining. We were hoping to go for a shakeout, right? Just to see how the gravel is here. Now like 6 a.m. Singapore time 7. Buffet breakfast.
We don't know why it's literally a tiffin carrier.
Try to dip it in.
How do I get
So
We had lunch boxes as well.
But not,
Ours had zips and like drawings on the front. A Hello Kitty.
there's no lifts in this hotel, and the pool is on the 6th floor. It's like hiking.
I just took a good fart.
Oh, nice. So it's still wet, but we're gonna help Amy with her bike, and then we go view the route. We got this guy on the road shoes. Oh, road shoes, yo. So this is the pump track that is opposite of me. Oh wow, there's a goat. Okay, first ride in Kanchanaburi. Going for the free version of the shakeout, right? We have the whole gang except Marina. Okay. Very, very quiet. My legs feel so like fresh. Apparently the course is somewhere here. Looks like this is the one.
Everything's gonna be alright. I see that you've been crying, but you know I'm always on your side. Oh, oh. Come on, come on, come on, come on, and put down all the weight from the dead. Yeah.
It's so nice.
Go on, go on, go on, go on. And
We're gonna get these kind of things in Singapore.
Cause I know how it feels when the walls are breaking loose, when it's dark and I don't know what to do. Then I look at you, and your life fills up the room.
The legs feel fresh, but the lungs, different story, man. So much like phlegm. Money hole into the rice. Look at how awkward we are. Really. But it's so awkward. I said to turn around and they turn around like that. Okay, let's go sprint. Our bikes are damn dirty. Meant to be dirty. Yes. Nice. Drink some bud. Hey, come. Oh! Oh!
Looking at the old things a new way. Everything is moving.
Oh my
Just
god.
wanna stay. See me in a
The thing ourselves before the race.
morning t-shirt with no shame. Yeah. Got monkeys and those things. She say you're stalling. Lunchtime is
mess.
calling. Now we gotta
A lot of sounds coming from Amy's bike. Oh! Hello!
I can't waste my time pleasing every mind. Not that easy my mind. Yeah.
We're right beside the mountains now.
Just to be more like every other.
Just picking up the
Like
speed.
blue socks, like a baby blue. Feel my best wearing dirty shoes. Vintage me, cause it's just my taste. Dark black jeans, like it's out of space.
Yeah, au natural on the scene like wow. And I'm just doing me, baby child. See, I studied the Tao, the zoo and Mr. Loud. If you
We are going nearer to the Buddha statue, the one that we saw this morning.
Some call it the moment, get control of your
This is down the climb, I guess.
Lock it up and own it. Start now and never postpone it. If you operate from love, then baby, I can't condone it.
I pull up to a crib in a 6'4" Impala. Ring the doorbell, now I'm talking to her father. She live at home cause it's more convenient.
Guys walking like Humpty
Almost
Dumpty.
on college, trying to be a teacher.
Like blue socks, like a baby blue.
I think now the plan is to find a cafe.
Vintage me, cause it's just my taste. Dark black jeans, like it's out of space.
His matcha actually looks dope.
I'm your matcha.
Oh, everyone ate acai.
Right?
Oh, we have this colorful flower. I wonder how they taste like.
No flavour.
Bitter.
Bye, what? Bye.
What's happening here, man? Okay, that was a whole lot of effort, man. Hey, you going where? Jungle?
On the Google Map, it says open usually.
Trying to look for food now, but everything is closed so early. We ended up at some place here. Random. They don't even have English on the menu. Lucky we got this Thai guy.
Thai guy.
Indian, Chinese and Thai mix.
Everything also can say.
The first dish does not look very sus. This place has one person's rating and it's only 4 star. But I shall give it a 5 star. The Cheyenne is not bad. Okay, we're gonna have the kangkong now. Seems a bit hard. Salty but pretty bass. Soup is also pretty good. Herbal pork. Lap mu. Kai jiao. I don't even know if this guy's pronunciation is correct, but trust. I will give this place 5/5, but my stomach needs to go. I really give the store a 5-star review. You can read the review here. Oh, lama, this guy.
You haven't really done, is it? It's just one of it.
Yeah.
There are a few.
What? Easy.
Easy, like
Okay.
rideable.
Okay. What's in the bag? Power of nature. Look like Tongkat Ali. Ooh, singing hot. Smile. Life is good. Just the
I just feel like you look like you're in like an astronaut, like
Yeah. Last stop of the day.
Not bad, the week.
Grab food. I found something I'm gonna buy. It's this. It's like XL. We got the goods.
They don't like, don't come by me.
He said
The theory is put sparkling water inside your water bag. Alright, so the pressure build up. Right?
Or you shaking on the bike.
So when you're racing, you're damn tired already. You just need to bite the tip, then you just shoot into your mouth. Don't even need to suck.
shoelace.
School people, you know. The weed.
Enjoying our porridge. today. Today we have 50 km on the menu, 280 meters of elevation. Pressure.
Shout out to Father Bat. They will route you to the main road, which I don't want.
Today we got Marina since there's no gravel. She's there. Oh, hi together. Oh shit. You can kind of like see the rain clouds coming in actually. Why are they going so fast? Excuse me. You're racing already? You're racing already? Yeah, going like so hard. Dude, the race is tomorrow. We are doing a 50 km ride today. And it's not even like zone 2. I'm just gonna chill. Super far away from me. Shit, the whole thing fell. It's my Tylo. Oh!
Only make hapla, we don't wanna go war. Only make hapla. Wonder thing minus me say wonder thing plus. 2 shots in the air, boom, boom. Watch your ass. If I pull the trigger, 2 we only gonna get war. So find a different way we gonna set that place. So we say
this guy say he hasn't seen the Climb Pro come out.
we only wanna
Oops, it looks like marijuana.
go war.
Oh, finally. We're on the downhill. Training for next year.
Hapla, we don't wanna go war. Only make hapla, we don't wanna go war. So only make hapla, we don't wanna go. Yo!
Oh, why are you going so hard? What's so hard? How come they're chilling here? Fat. Is it tube?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a tube.
Yeah.
Damn.
First ever flat.
On a holiday as well. Oh. Okay, wait, hold on.
Before I continue that,
Just your app no good lah. Okay guys, it's raining.
I got 3G.
this is gonna be tomorrow's view after the river.
I'm living this life, forget about the past life. Let me get jiggy, dog. We so litty, dog. We so. Let me get jiggy, dog. We so litty, dog.
Yeah. Life is a true adventure. Never been boring, keep God at the center. Feel that rush in my bone, living spontaneous from Jan to December. Different direction, I don't need no compass. All about the moments to remember. Yes, just have a good time.
Waste my energy.
Just
This is where we were yesterday, down there.
all the memories, do it with the family. It's about 10 a week.
I'ma bring it back.
Is this a holiday or like no?
I don't know.
I'm living this life right, forget
You ride faster, you can go like.
Let me get jiggy, dog. We so.
We are back in town. Quite fruitful. We got rain. We got climbs. We got mechanical issues. Now we got coffee.
On a journey, it's a process. Ignore the noise and all the nonsense.
just
They
nice.
pan the go, nobody can stop this.
Super Bowl.
Back here again
For the Super Bowl.
for the Super Bowl.
Yeah. Thailand.
Oh, I can do it. Eh?
That is what? That is the scary part, bro.
Okay, yeah.
I want to play. Is it actually going? Play already, start already.
I'ma bring it back, like turn up the track, like let the bass drop. I'm living this life right, forget about the past life. Let me get jiggy, dog. We so litty, dog. We so. Let me get jiggy, dog. We so litty, dog. We so litty.
body double. Okay, we're gonna just go opposite there for lunch and see if it's nice. Oh, you can read? Okay, take a look. Have a look. Tomorrow is gonna be damn fun. My middle knee is danger. Second dish, fried rice.
Look at that.
We all have like 3 dishes each. Maggi goreng.
The fire.
Oh, the lunch bowls, you everything. This guy keep farting. We're back here again.
That'd just be like
Excitement.
actually 50k.
Oh,
In which case,
that's good.
excellent.
That's great.
Just go hard.
Finish safe, enjoy. Then if you get position, bonus. We ended up squeezing together. The driver is like wearing dark shades, man.
The Vision Pro.
Belly? I want belly.
Oh, this one like good.
Not spicy. Yeah.
Cup loading, hardcore mode. Ooh la la. Crispy pork again. Let's see if you can make some noise. Ooh, 5-star. Thai music is great and we'll move to Kanchanaburi for the crispy pork belly. This picture shows how much 4 of us ate. Boom. Good. It just got rained on. Okay, slow down.
À Saint-Germain-des-Prés, un monde entier sommeille. Mais au premier rayon de soleil, le Paris village s'éveille.
Slept at 10. Now it's 4. Anyway, nutrition. California roll. Fresh. Alright. I think we are ready. It is 5 a.m. I forgot my bananas.
What you want? You want?
Hey, no light.
Yeah, but I almost forgot. Last week. The race site is like 40 minutes away. It's quite heavy. It's very cold. We're not even racing yet. It's fun. It's pretty cold and I'm not sure where the start line is.
Here's another fast ride in the morning.
Oh, true.
In the rain.
That's what I'm doing today actually. CCP Thailand.
CCP Thailand. Gravel edition.
Gravel edition. Dude, the toilets here are cool. What's your review?
5/5.
Got aircon inside?
Aircon inside, bro.
Clean? Parking, where's your parking fee, sir?
I'm paying now. Using PayLah. Ready swimming.
Swimming time.
Swimming time.
It's raining. This is not that bad.
I like to get dirty. Ace that one time doing up birdie. I'ma make sure all of you heard me. I show one damn so no mercy. Had knew my thing from early. Cash me no bars and clubs like Jersey. Chips and chicken, call me no jerky. Turkey teeth, they're coming up early. Man, I've just been on my journey. They asked me what I'll be in 10 years. That man there said not to worry. Said that thing and I said that firmly. And none of your words got hurt me. Double D, but it still come perky. Gotta be F, but still be flirting. Gotta do my man dirty. And I'm done with the playing about. When I told just no mean business. Hear my voice and you're hearing bitches. I'm gonna get to the bag, no doubt. Give me that fame, no clout. Something wanna show me the fitness. I said give me the digits. Soon land do me good like Brussels sprout. I know you want it, I know she really want it. Put your foot down on the gas, don't even think you got up on it. I said I'm on it, they know for sure I'm on it. They keep asking for a slide, see we give my post. Bring that shit back, boy. I know you want it, I know she really want it. I said I'm on it, they know for sure I'm on it. I know you want it, I know she really want it.
Are we on the right track? Does yours say rerouting? my mic says it looks like wrong way.
Wrong way? Go. It's wrong way altogether.
TikTok, till the time is up. Got the DJ bumping, bass is funk.
Give me a bit.
TikTok, tick-tock. TikTok, tick-tock. TikTok, tick-tock. Got the DJ bumping, the bass is funk. TikTok, till the time is up. Time to dance, time to turn it up. Got the DJ bumping, bass is funk. Tick-tock, tick-tock. TikTok, tick-tock. TikTok, tick-tock. TikTok, tick-tock. Got the DJ bumping, the bass is funk. TikTok, till the time is up. Time to dance, time to turn it up. Got the DJ bumping, bass is funk. Tick-tock, tick-tock. TikTok, tick-tock. TikTok, tick-tock. TikTok, tick-tock. Got the DJ bumping, the bass is funk. I need to start getting loud. No, yeah. TikTok, tick-tock. TikTok, tick-tock.
Puncture. Can't even tell where the leak is. Oh, here. Yeah. Hope it seals. Okay, I really hope it's sealed. I'm far behind.
Baby. TikTok, till the time is up. Time to dance, time to turn it up. Got the DJ bumping, bass is funk. Tick-tock, tick-tock. TikTok, tick-tock. TikTok, tick-tock.
Bro, what happened?
Hey! It goes flat again. I'm gonna give up.
Can't find it, but it's never lost. We back, hey, we back, hey, okay. They thought that we fell off, nah, partner, we back, hey, okay.
I think my feet are coming loose. Nice. Okay.
For your kids? Yeah. How do you document at least?
Mechanicals. Okay. Back on the road. Dude, I don't even think I'm gonna catch up to anyone, to be honest. The way my map is not... The map is not like loading. I might just be on the wrong route. Well guys, oh shit. Well guys, welcome to Enjoying Kanchanaburi with Jasper after failing your 130 km race. Wow, beautiful mountains, nice scenery. Hi, Sawadee. Well, it seems like we're now in a papaya plantation. Hello. Papaya plantation. Pretty nice, but the camera's dirty. Let's wash it. Much better. Apparently I saw someone and they told me I'm on the right route, but somehow my map is not loading. I can't see shit. Yeah. So I don't know. Am I on the wrong route or the right route?
Hey, we back, hey, okay. They thought that we fell off, nah, partner, we back, hey, okay, we back, hey, we back, hey, okay. They thought that we fell off, nah, partner, we back, hey, okay. act like I never left. Okay.
Oh, nice. I managed to catch up with a tiny group, man. Like a 5 people group.
Back like my back, I guess I won 2018, nobody there. Okay. Back like I'm born for it. Back like I never left. Okay. Yeah, born for this. Hey, drew that line and that saying I swear I ain't going for this. Hey, get my mama on the line and tell her son on one. Get my daddy on the line, the heavenly hills ain't done.
Let's try to change the battery. Okay, quick little battery change and we are like around 50k in. It's another 80k. Oh man, come on boys. Go, 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 go. I changed battery. My cleat is loose again. Sounds so wrong though. Let's go, Jess. You're right. The shoe is getting so loose. Another river crossing. Should I go or should I go? I did it again. Hello, sir. No. Big climbs, man. Alright. Same model. Nice bicycle. We are around kilometer 60. Supposedly an 850 meter climb. It's like on there. It is so loose. Oh my god! Thai border. Water. Dude, like what I'm worried about is the river crossing that is coming up. If I can't unclip, I don't know how I'm going to cross by walking. Rati Palace! Rati Kingdom, man.
Just enough, just enough, just enough, just enough.
Gotta go. Yeah, I unclipped. I don't know if I can clip it back on. Whoa! It's strong. It's strong. Whoa! Oh! Strong. And oh, clip in. He's gone.
Yeah. Boom. Let's go. Wait. Hold up, Q. Yeah, feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to son these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actors. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so try again, this time take a vitamin. Yeah, invite them in, welcome to the lion's den. And I'm Mufasa, big boss in charge of coming in like a bull. You see me raising the stock up, yeah. So baby, you gon' need some patience. I already won, now I'm just making a statement. Damn baby, why your mans keep hating? You asking about the cake, you here for the celebrations. And I ain't fishing, I ain't really into baiting. I know they all wish I take away they making, but sorry I'm taking me and my lady making.
30 land words or this was?
She loving on my. It really shouldn't be no arguments, cause you're now viewing the greatest of all time, saying I can't get.
I'm all alone again in the wilderness. I'm so tired. Don't really wanna ride anymore. So sticky. The sticky mud is like not helping this also. At least you have interstellar vibes. Like Interstellar, man. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Hey! Brother! Hey, I see you. I've come from many tragedies. I'm done. I'm gonna find Terrence, eh? Far! Okay. Let's go, brother! Grab a boy! Grab a boy! Grab a boy! Grab a boy! Oh, it's just getting high, bro! Dude, can you believe it? Come on! Push, push, push! Very nice, Rick. You need something, bro? I'm flying, Jack! I'm flying! My back is broken. Dude, I have 1% left, but 97 km and we're on the road now. If the battery dies, then I will see you later. 30 more k's to go. Me, the damn long stretch. I don't even have a map. Hey! It is what it is. The third puncture seems to have fixed itself. Oh, ow. Final key, bro. Holy shit, man. Yeah, baby.
Josh 5th place, Amy got 2nd place.
What in the butt? I sweet.
Man, bring him home. Bring him home to China. We're gonna get motorbikes for today to go to the waterfall. We're going to the waterfall, which is like 1 hour. This pretty long on the bike. Let's go! 1 hour motorbike ride, still shorter than yesterday. Like 10 k's to the waterfall. Holiday. Holiday. Yeah. I forgot to record lunch. It's empty already. You know what's Nutella in Thai?
Nutella. Really?
Really?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Peanut butter there, no, right?
Yeah.
I think it's now like close to 2. It's like 1 something.
Your motorcycle ตรงไปเลี้ยวซ้ายนะ
Right?
Go straight on the left.
She thought you died.
Here, motorbike parking.
Nice. Want a tourist picture?
No, I was just taking a seat because I was being lazy, but apparently I've signed a tourist picture spot.
Immediately as we come here, the sun came up.
Does not look blue. Not allowed to swim without life jacket.
One.
Hey.
Go good.
Apparently there are like different levels. 30% gradient. Going to number 5. Like can't even see the steepness. Oh!
So this is only level 4.
Yeah, I still have to go back.
So it's like full.
100 watts, 100 watts. Let's go. The fish is kissing my leg. Oh. Oh, it's just a fish. The fish. Oh my back. That's it. It's like water stuck in my ear.
Okay, this is the very steep stairs. Oh, there's a view.
His music face in the t-shirt. Innovation. Gonna redo your.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Mud. And this is an issue.
It's raining.
Gonna poncho it up.
Fit check. Guess we're just gonna ride back in the rain.
The ride back was no joke.
Dude, I had no visor on the motorbike, so we just rode the motorbike with like with my eyes open. Actually, if you just hold the umbrella steady, you'll be fine lah.
We showered, but now we are out in the rain again.
Yes. Your first
experience.
wow. The last thing. Wow, efficient, Joe. Yeah. Don't get murdered.
Yes, I will give you guys an update.
Dude, it's a toilet in the middle of nowhere. Time to go home. McDonald's.
There's a cheese. This doesn't have a cheese. Deluxe.
Bye. And yeah, that's it. Watching back, it was really a very fun trip. I really enjoyed going to the waterfall, even with the crazy rain going into my eyes on the motorbike. It's been a while since I've done this, so I just want to thank a few people who have supported this channel. So first off, let's start with Buy Me a Coffee. I would like to thank Stefan, Maros, J.J, Katin, sorry if I pronounced it wrongly, Samtan6966, and another Y. And moving on YouTube, I would like to thank Chang Rong Yong and Flatfoot Ninja. I appreciate you guys for the extra support. We are so close to 22k subscribers now. Can you believe it? I really appreciate it. It's really thanks to all of you here. Thank you for all the support, and as usual, love y'all, and I will see you in the next week. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, it's really time to subscribe, bro.